This video is going to cover the three-screen loan application in Path. Let's open up Path and log in. Now, Path is a data-driven LOS, and what that means is that unlike a forms-based system where the application would traditionally be spread across 8 or 9 screens designed to look like the actual ERLA document, we went a different direction. We took all the ERLA data fields, all the Fannie required data fields, and all the Freddie required data fields, and we consolidated them on 3 screens. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So in Path, the first application screen is the borrower screen. And so again, this has all the ERLA data fields, all the Fannie data fields, and all the Freddie required data fields all consolidated right here. So you're going to have your borrower personal information, their acknowledgments like credit consent, e-consent, current address, previous address, credit report data, their scores, their present housing expenses, their income, employment, assets, other assets, gift funds, liabilities, REO, declarations and demographics, tax transcripts, home buyer and counseling information, military service, everything related to the borrower, all right here on one screen. Now, it is a long screen, but one thing we've done to make it user-friendly is added a jump feature. So sure, I can scroll up or down, but I also can jump. So if I'm like, what was that previous address? I can just jump right there. Or what were the liabilities? Jump right there. I also can open and close sections. So if I want to just focus on a certain section, I can close up the other ones just to make that more user-friendly. So that's the first application screen. The second application screen is the subject property screen. So that's going to have your subject property information, your contract information, the seller. If this was a refinance loan, this refinance information section would be opened up, but I have it as a purchase. So the refi is automatically closed, knowing that information isn't applicable here. Title and legal information and flood information. So anything that's going to be related to the subject property on the ERLA, Fannie, or Freddie data sets, they're going to be right here on the subject property application screen. Then the third application screen is product and pricing. So that'll be your loan information, your product information, lock information, mortgage insurance, rate adjustments, payment adjustments, additional product information, pricing. So to review, in Path, we have a 3-screen application: borrower screen, the subject property screen, and then the product and pricing screen. This concludes this video. I appreciate you watching. Please reach out to me if you have questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.